We strive to produce the freshest, best tasting tomato products in the world.
And we do exactly that.
But you can't do it unless you have the best employees.
It's a great work environment.
We're made up of a really diverse workforce.
We call it the Red Gold family.
A culture that we're working hard to develop.
It's got that small family-owned feeling to it, but it's not really small.
We've grown into the largest privately held tomato manufacturer now in the world.
It's a healthy, safe work environment.
Competitive pay.
Great benefits.
Retirement plans.
Education and tuition reimbursement.
Job security. Red Gold has all of those.
As well as the opportunity to grow within the company.
You can get a great job and turn it into a great career.
You can't find that everywhere.
This is a special place. If you're smart, passionate, have lots of energy, buckle up.
You have a chance to be a part of a winning team.
We're looking for the best talent to join this team.
If you think you're one of the best, then we'd like to have you.
We have a jersey for you.